In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the formdate command to add a date selector to your snippet. Let's use this office memo template as an example. Here, we're already using the time command to give us the current date, but I want to be able to customize the second date based on the deadline for the donations. I can do this by adding a date field in my snippet. Let's start by deleting this date and leaving our cursor in the place where we want our date field to be added. The date field can be found in the Forms and Dynamic Content menu. In the Format window, I can specify how the date will be formatted when the snippet is inserted. You can use the default format or specify your own formatting. In the window below, there are some common formatting options, as well as other variants that you can mix and match. Hovering over each option gives you a preview of how it will be inserted. Let's add the weekday in full, the full month, the day of the month, and the year. Note that the formatting you choose must always include day, month, and year. There is also an optional name setting. Finally, let's choose the date range for our date field. This is also optional. Setting a date range limits the allowable dates that a user may select when using the snippet. Click Insert and the formdate command is added. If I place my cursor inside the command, I can also change, add, or remove settings using this menu here. Let's use it to add a default date. Now let's see it at work. You'll see that the pop-up calendar only shows the date range that I specified. Also, note that the formatting in the date selector is automatically set by my computer's localization settings. But when I click Insert, the date is inserted according to the formatting I specified. You can learn more about the formdate command and see more examples of how it works in the documentation page.